number 12. We are driving from ULURU towards Alice Springs and just pulled over to take a picture of the famous kangaroo sign. Trying to have breakfast here.
No way!
And it's a little bit hard.
No flies!
I'm good.
In my body, even if I cover my face.
Breathe in the air, set your intention.
Almost alone.
Dream with care.
It's pretty good. It's day 14.
Tomorrow's a new day.
And this is an ant paradise.
The floor is lava!
Brand new moon, brand new star.
And you are?
I'm a condom. You should try it once. It's pretty relaxing to be a condom. It's... Wait, watch this. Oh. Watch this. Ik drink my coffee inside the condom. And this motherfucking flies stay outside. And I need to poop.
Follow. Follow
That
the
is only one. The other one is full of animals and ants. And,
direction of
Oh, that one's full of animals.
no, that one is good.
direction.
Yeah, why is she going there?
Breathe, breathe in the air.
Tell me this.
Cherish this moment.
I really could use a band.
Cherish this
The time.
breath.
You like 8?
GoPro, what's the time?
8.
Tomorrow's a new
8
day.
and 6 minutes.
Oh, that's only an hour and 6 minutes later than we expected to be here. That's decent.
No mosquitoes for you. And no air.
No air!
Water so deep.
If you don't want.
We're gonna hike. Guys, we're gonna do this shit!
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos
Hello?
and memories
We are here in
and
this fucking
dead skin on
restaurant.
child.
Oh fuck. There is no toilet.
I need to poop. There is no water. I don't think I'm
Unpredictable, but in the
Well,
end
We had pasta alla margiane.
at the time of your
Just can't remember something.
Amatriciana.
Oh, sorry.
It's not easy.
Alla matriciana. Spicca e tomato.
I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known.
It is exactly 7 days until Christmas Eve. We are
Soffritto.
pasta alla.
Pasta alla marangiana. Without the pasta, without the marangiana, but only with onion.
We are what are we pre-cooking in bikinis in the thermal pool. That's about it.
I walk alone, I walk up. My shadow's only one that walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone up there will find me. Till then I walk alone. I'm walking down the line that divides me somewhere in my mind, on the borderline of the edge and where I walk alone. From the moon, it's never too late to follow the moon. For all that you lose, you get back from 22. Follow the moon. For all that you lose, get back from the moon.
The sky is dark. We are not. Pizza, pasta, no. Pizza, chocolate, coffee.